Hey pre-calc, I saw that I had a tiny typo in here and I didn't want it to confuse anybody, so let me just reiterate what I had done again, and so you have it correct. So we had gotten up to here and we had to keep breaking this part down here, and if you do the rational zero test you get 4/1, and that was what we had done last time, which was the 4/1. So the rational zero test is going to give us the same set of numbers that we previously had, okay? So I then tried 1 again for the second time. I tried 1 again for the second time so that when I put it in and I did the work, I got that it worked twice. So that meant that this part here broke down into using another 1, and then the leftover was x squared plus 4. The linear term went to 0, so x squared plus 4. So it broke down to another 1 and I was left with x squared plus 4. Once it's quadratic, you don't need to guess anymore. You can either use the factoring method, the square root method, or the quadratic formula. I use the square root method. So the square root method is where you isolate the squared term. So I moved the 4 to the other side. Then I took the square root of both sides. It became a complex number. So you got positive 2i and negative 2i. But remember, in factored form you have to move it to the left. So I got this and this. So this part then factored into this. That's me putting it in the factored form. And this part here, since there's 2 of those, we can write it twice. And then of course if I equal this to 0, it'll give you these. So these are the zeros. You don't have to write 1 twice. Okay gang, I just wanted to redo this because I saw that I had the right work, but I accidentally wrote a wrong number here and I was afraid it was going to knock everybody off when they did the synthetic division. Okay, so the idea is to get it down till it's totally factored. I'm going to do another example with your homework. I'll pick a homework problem and I'll go over that next week. Okay, so you guys just have the wrap-up video to watch and then you're done. I'll catch you. Bye-bye.